Welcome to Saving Money for the Long Run. Today we're going to be sharing a recipe for Rotel chicken spaghetti. Let's get started. We have shared this recipe before on the channel, and it is actually one of our most viewed recipe videos. And so we just thought, since we haven't shared it since 2020, it might be fun to revisit this recipe, maybe with better lighting and stuff like that. So we hope that you enjoy it. We're just going to share the recipe, have it set to music. We do not have a link for this recipe. We will have the recipe written in the description. So just click down there if you want to see the full recipe. Now let's get started. We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. It is a really good one to use for leftover chicken or rotisserie chicken, and you'll have leftovers for days. So this is a really stretch recipe, really great for the budget. And if you have never tried it, we highly recommend it. And until next time, this is Christy with Saving Money for the Long Run, saying, remember, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.